You've learned what makes Nigeria famous worldwide. Now discover the special symbols that connect all 250 plus ethnic groups as one proud people. Nigeria's flag tells the most beautiful story. It's green, white, and green, and each colour means something absolutely wonderful. The green stripes represent Nigeria's rich farmlands, where crops grow tall and strong, and those incredible forests where monkeys play and parrots flash their bright feathers. The white stripe in the middle, that's for peace, bringing everyone together, no matter which language they speak at home or which traditions their families follow. But here's the most inspiring part of all. This flag was designed by a young student when he was just 23 years old. Can you imagine creating something so important while you're still in school? His name was Taiwo Akinkunmi, and when Nigeria was preparing for independence from Britain, the government announced a competition for a new flag design. Michael was studying electrical engineering far away in London when he heard about the contest. He thought deeply about what Nigeria meant to him, the green forests and rich farmlands of his homeland, and his biggest hope for peace and unity among all the different peoples. So he took out a piece of paper and drew a simple but powerful design. Green stripes for the beautiful land and a white stripe in the middle for peace and unity, bringing everyone together. He carefully sent his design back to Nigeria and waited nervously for months. Out of almost 3,000 entries from people all over the world, imagine that, 3,000 different ideas. Michael's simple but meaningful design was chosen. When Nigeria became independent, his flag was raised for the very first time as the symbol of the new nation. Michael received some money as a prize for his winning design, which felt like a wonderful surprise and quite a lot to a student. But the most incredible prize was seeing his creation become something that would inspire millions of people forever and ever. Every morning, Nigerian children stand proudly in their school courtyards for their national anthem, looking up at Michael's flag design and thinking of their beautiful, diverse country. The anthem talks about the land of our birth where they pledge to serve with heart and might, and when they sing it together, you can feel how much they love their homeland. Nigeria's coat of arms shows a magnificent eagle soaring with its wings spread wide, representing strength, pride, and the ability to soar high above any challenge. The eagle holds a banner that says unity and work, progress and peace, which is exactly what happens when 250 plus different groups of people work together. There are also two beautiful horses on either side of the shield, representing dignity and pride. And you know what's at the bottom? Flowers that represent the beauty of Nigeria's nature, because even the official symbols remember how gorgeous this country is. Every time Nigerian children see these symbols, on their money, at government buildings, during sports matches when their teams wear green and white, they remember that they're part of something absolutely extraordinary. A country where a young student's dream of peace and unity became the flag that now waves proudly over the giant of Africa. Today, every Nigerian child sees Michael's flag flying proudly over their schools, and it reminds them that even young people can create something that will inspire their country forever and ever. Just imagine, your idea could become something that makes millions of people feel proud and united.